Click next. Give the name DC01. Select store virtual machine to different location. Provide path d:\vms, right? You can go to browse.
Sir, after this HyperV only can I provide the D?
No, you have to provide a new path, na? So click
Can I
on
remove
browse.
this? Okay.
Yes, you have to remove this, or you can click on browse, go to d:. So in this PC, you have D drive, select that. In D drive, there is a folder called VMs. Yeah,
Can I
click
select
on
this
VM.
folder, sir?
Yes, select this folder. You see the path is changed. After
Yes, sir.
VMs, you have to put again the machine name, that is
Yeah.
DC01.
Yeah, okay, sir. Can I go next? Next.
Did you put DC01 there?
Sorry.
We want to keep every machine in different folders, right?
Okay, sir.
So click next. Generation 2. In switch, you're gonna assign 2 GB RAM, 2048. Click next. Connection, we're gonna select the switch which we created, new virtual switch 1. Click next. Instead of 127 GB, mention 50 GB there.
Okay, sir.
Click next. Install operating system from a bootable ISO image. You want to select that option, click on browse and select the 2016 ISO. In D:\ISO folder, select 2016. Next. Finish. Now click connect. Click start and hit enter once it gives you a prompt.
So can I enter now?
Yeah, it is too late probably now. Try hitting enter.
So now it will not work. She have
Yeah.
to turn off it, and then immediately before coming start PXC over IPv4, you have to click on enter.
So Srilakshmi, go ahead and turn that VM off. You see the black square?
This one only, right, sir?
Yeah.
Yeah, below
Click
action.
turn off. And now you will see the green circle, or you can select start and immediately hit enter after that.
Enter it. Oh, don't wait for the something. Just immediately black screen comes. Just enter it.
Yeah, I entered, but it is not working.
You have to adjust your timing a little bit. So as soon as you click start, right? Just click your mouse and hit enter.
You have to spam the enter
I
key multiple times.
Can I do one more time, sir?
yeah. Do it one more time. Everybody is following this, right? We are doing this for the second time now. So if you missed these steps, do it along with Sri Lakshmi. Enter now. Yeah. Now it took the prompt. And it is booting of the DVD now. Select English India.
Excuse
You
me,
can
sir.
keep it as it is. Huh? It's not necessary. But for our understanding, if we do not get confused with timing, right? For our sake, we are doing this. English India. Yes, Keshav, are you muted now?
Sorry.
All the both the VMs. Have you changed
Yeah.
the network and the
Yeah.
host name?
Yes, sir.
All right. We're
So
gonna
can I
guide
go
Sri Lakshmi.
next?
Yes. Click next, Sri Lakshmi.
Install now.
Install now. Now, Sri Lakshmi, what are the options we're gonna select? I don't have a product key.
I don't have product key. Second one,
Select
desktop
2000
experience.
desktop experience standard. Click next. Accept the agreement. Click next. Select custom. Click next. We're gonna keep the hard drive as it is. It's gonna reformat it and then let it install now.
Okay, sir.
Let me know once you are able to log in. It will ask you for a user ID password after
Okay, sir.
installation. You have to set a password.
Okay, sir.
Once you set up the password, it will give you a login prompt where you can go to select action and send Control Alt Delete. Then you will get the login window.
Okay, sir.
Let me
Excuse me,
know once you are finished with that. Yes,
Okay,
Chirag.
sir.
sir. After doing installing now, what we have to select? Windows Server 2016 standard desktop experience, right?
Correct. Meanwhile, those are still installing. Keep your setup ready. On a notepad somewhere, write your host names and IP address you want to set. The first machine that we are configuring is DC01, IP address 192.168.1.1.
Sir, after that, custom install Windows only, right?
Custom, correct.
Okay. Next.
Select next on the hard drive.
Okay, sir.
Who is on the same stage with Sri Lakshmi? Put your names in the chat. I'm not going to repeat this process third time now. We have to pick up a pace little bit,
Okay.
right? Yes,
Notebook
Pawan,
and
Chirag, Prashant. Good. Shubham. Kavya, which step are you? Kalpana. Aman is there. Good. Prithvi. Archita. Dhanushri. Kavya. Good, Kavya. Arishna. Kalpana. Prachi. Yeah, I see your name, Prachi. Who else is there? Manya. Where are you? Harika. Kirti. Mohammed. Arman. Okay, Priyanka is getting the error. Simar.
Yes, sir.
Amulya. Yeah, which step are you?
I made the
Sir, I
technical.
have done till server manager, but now my connection is not connected. It's showing some error like remote site connection is not connected.
On your base VM or on your server VM?
No, sir, when I'm trying to connect remote desktop connection, it's saying uh, that remote access to the server is not enabled.
Remote access to the server. So you're trying to RDP again to the server, Simar.
Yes, sir. I have
We
done till
don't,
the
we are
server
not
manager.
RDPing. Yeah, in server manager, you don't need to do RDP, no? In server manager, first
Sir-
before setting going to
So
the
can I
server manager.
restart now here?
Yes, Sri Lakshmi, you can restart. Simmer, once you have done installation, you have to change the IP and the host name. We're gonna change the IP address to 192.168.1.1. You have to click on the network card with yellow icon. Go to network and sharing center and change your IP. After that, you also need to change your host name. For host name, you have to go to Windows Explorer, right click on this PC, properties. There you can change the host name. So whoever has finished with the installation, go ahead and change your IP settings and your host name. Then you have to reboot again.
Yellow bar here.
Yeah, because you have not scrolled the window up, na? You move your VM window up so that you can see the complete screen.
Sir, we have to go in change adapter options, right?
Yes. Sri Lakshmi, still scroll your window little bit, expand the size. You're doing this on your wrong window, Sri Lakshmi. You're doing this on HyperV Manager. We want to do this on our VM.
Sir, then after IP version 4.
Yes, IP version 4 proper. Move your VM window up, Sri Lakshmi. Your VM window is still covering portion of your task bar, status bar.
Sir, we have to install it or click OK.
This is not,
Properties.
cursor is not moving, sir.
Yeah, it probably is a little bit slow, but do you see the window where is DC1 on so and so host name virtual machine connection? You see that window?
No, sir.
Sri Lakshmi, do you see the recycle bin?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Above there, if you go to the window, you see DC01 on CDC2. The title bar of that window, not that, hit cancel there. Yeah. So click on that title bar and move the VM window a little bit. Still up. Above clipboard. Don't turn off. Yes.
So this one.
Move. Yes. Move that window little up. Drag it till you see the status bar. Drag it a little bit more. You still don't see it?
No, sir.
No problem. Expand your, click on expand. Maximize. Now do you see it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
DC10, that's only right, sir.
Yes. Go to network card properties. The network card option with the yellow icon on the bottom right section of your status bar.
This one, sir.
Yes. Yeah. Right click on that. Go to network settings. Change adapter options. Right click on Ethernet. Properties. Select TCP/IP version 4.
So which one, sir?
TCP/IP version 4. Internet Protocol version 4. Yes. Don't uncheck that. Just select that name and go to
Okay.
properties. Now we're going to change the IP address. So instead of automatic, you're going to select use the following IP address.
Okay, sir.
Select the IP address as 192.168.1.1. Click tab. It will populate subnet mask. If it does not populate, okay, it's great. Now in DNS, select 127.0.0.1.
So 127.0.
0.1. 0, then dot, again 0, then dot, and 1. Apply. Okay. Close this. Close network sharing. Close settings. Close server manager. Open Windows Explorer. File Explorer. Right click on this PC. Go to Properties. Change settings in computer name. Again, click on Change. And now give the name DC01.
Sir, can you repeat this step again?
You go to Windows Explorer. You go to Properties of this PC. You click on Change setting twice. And then you set the computer name. Click OK, Sri Lakshmi. Now prompt you for a reboot.
Properties में जा किधर है तू इसकी properties में जा रहा है या
So here it is
You-
showing you must restart your computer to
Correct.
apply these changes.
Click
Can I-
OK.
Okay.
Yes. Close.
Restart.
Click restart now. Yes. Now once it restarts, you have to again send Control-Alt-Delete from action
Okay, sir.
and put your password.
So can I click this connect? Choose
Yes,
the
you can
size.
set the resolution. That is fine. As long as you are able to maneuver your VM, you can expand this. No problem. Login. Now you're gonna go to Server Manager and add remove roles. Server Manager will automatically pop up. You don't need to change it. Already
Okay,
it is
sir.
open now. Click on add roles and features. Click next. Click next. Click next. Select Active Directory Domain Services. Select Add Features. Click next. 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 And install. Once it is installed, it will say configuration required.
Okay, sir.
When you close that window, add roles and features, on the server manager, under flag notification, you will see a yellow icon, configuration required.
Okay,
You're
sir.
gonna select promote this computer to a domain network. Let it finish install.
Okay.
Priyanka, if you're not able to remote desktop, if you're getting an error, log a ticket. Those who have finished domain controller installation, keep that VM minimized and create 2 more VMs. We're going to create 2 more VMs called NLB 01 and 02. We're gonna install using the same process. Yes,
So can I
Priyanka.
close this one? That installation is succeeded on DC101.
It says configuration required, installation
Installation
succeeded.
succeeded, yeah.
Click close.
This one flag.
And yes, that flag, when you click it, it will show you promote this server to a domain controller. We're gonna click on that. Now we're gonna select add new forest.
So
No,
he did.
cancel this. Cancel this. We're gonna select add a new forest. And then provide the domain name as mylab.local. Are you able to RDP, Priyanka?
Sir, again
If you're
recording
getting
stopped.
Yes, who was that?
Again recording got stopped, sir.
Let's
Bharat,
forget
Bharat.
about the recordings now. You have access to the labs. Just pay
Sir.
attention to the steps that we are following.
We
So
have
can
access
I-
to lab, sir, but we cannot, like we are getting errors, and then how can we do? And
So
time is also limited.
yes, at least pay attention to the steps. If you pay attention to the steps, probably you can grab screenshots. Everybody knows how to grab a screenshot.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Whatever you
Like
feel where is important.
I'm writing the steps, but it will be helpful for the recording, right?
Yes, but Bharat, is that Bharat?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Bharat.
Bharat, I do not have control over the recording,
Okay.
unfortunately. So I
Okay, sir,
cannot
but
do anything about it. You can probably send a ticket to the IT team, right? Let them know that the recordings are getting stopped. You need to increase your OneDrive space, right?
okay, sir.
Probably
Okay, sir.
they'll do something then, right?
Okay, sir.
Click
That
next.
like means
You'll
by
see.
telling you, we can get the response faster. We
Yes.
are keeping mail, but no response. That's like that.
I am no different than you. I am just a different role as a trainer, but then
Okay, sir.
yeah,
A
that's
small
it.
hope.
I don't have
Sir.
special
Thank you, sir.
permissions.
So can I
Yes,
click
Srila.
next?
Yes, yes. You can click next. Sri Lakshmi, are you understanding whatever steps we are doing right now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, then remember
So
this.
here password I given before, that can I given here? That
Yes, you can use the same password. No worry. This password is also different, right? This password will be required whenever we are doing the restore on the Active Directory.
yes, sir.
It is
Okay.
called as a directory services restore mode password.
Okay, sir.
It is not your login password. Just remember that, but you can use the same password here.
Okay, sir.
Click next. Click next. We are going to ignore that warning.
Okay, sir. Here domain name.
Yeah, it will automatically populate the domain name my lab there.
Can I click next, sir?
Yes. Click next. These are the path where the AD database will be stored.
Okay, sir.
Click next and select install. Once it gives you the summary, right?
Yeah,
Whatever we
yes.
have selected, you will select install. This is how you configure the domain controller on your server.
Server. Okay, sir.
And it is gonna ask you to log out. Yeah, automatically once it has done that, it will automatically log you out.
Okay,
And
sir.
then you have to again log in as the domain administrator. For those who have finish domain controller installation, create 2 more VMs, NLB1, NLB2, set a different static IP address, hostname as NLB1.
Sir, it is asking this one. Close. Can I close this one?
Yes. It's gonna restart.
Okay, sir.
Sri Lakshmi, what are you going to do next after this? Once this has finished installation, you're gonna minimize this, right?
Okay, sir.
And then you're gonna create 2 new VMs,
Okay, sir.
NLB01, NLB02, right?
Okay, sir.
Again, follow the same step, assign ISO, boot from it, install OS, and change the IP address and hostname.
Okay,
You
sir.
will give it a different IP address.
Okay, sir.
But DNS, you will change to 192.168.1.1. Now
Okay,
that
sir.
we have DNS and AD, we can now use the DNS server. That will be our DC01,
Okay,
IP
sir.
192.168.1.1. The VM IP, you will change something else, probably 1.2 or 1.3.
Okay, sir.
Yeah, let this reboot and then log in, right? Make
Okay,
sure
sir.
you're able to log in as domain admin. You can minimize and
Sir,
create
can
2
you
VMs.
minimize this one now?
Yeah, we can. It's only going to reboot. That is fine. Let this reboot. Go back to your HyperV manager. And again, follow the same step. New virtual machine. Put it on your D drive and install server OS.
Okay, sir.
Now you have to do these steps, Sri Lakshmi. I'm not gonna guide you on this. You know how to do
Okay,
this.
sir.
NLB01.
So here name it is fine, right? We should give anything.
You can give anything, but why keep anything? Now keep it consistent. Here also
Okay,
you
sir.
put NLB1. What happens if you accidentally delete that folder? You don't know which VM is hosted in which folder.
Okay, sir.
So ideally, keep the same folder name as your host name. So it creates very less confusion for you. No, we want to put the VM. So in virtual manager, Sri Lakshmi, how you gonna identify that is your NLB2? Why are you keeping DC02? Are we going to make this a domain controller? No,
No, sir.
we are gonna create a lot of VMs. So keep your names consistent. NLB01. It will only help you avoid confusion. Also
Okay, sir.
change the name virtual machine 1 to NLB1.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I think there will be the name also which she have to change in the first phase.
Yes, but now she has kept it. Let it be. She can do that later, Shilakshmi. No worries.
So here I can give 2048 only MB.
Yes. If you give less, server installation will not continue. It needs minimum 2 GB.
Okay, sir.
If you increase maximum than 2 GB, then your machine will get hanged, right? We only have 16 GB on our machine.
Okay, sir.
Connection, you're gonna select the new switch. Exactly. That's very important. Here, giving 50 GB is optional. If you select 127, it will show you 127 GB hard drive. We don't really need that much. So that's fine. Create a new virtual hard drive. Yes. Click next. All right. You're going to do this on the other VM too, right, Sri Lakshmi?
Okay, sir.
Now you know how to change the adapter and the host name.
Yes, sir. But still it is.
So while it is doing that and while she is configuring the new two VMs, right? Let's go back to Keshav's screen.
Sir, in
Keshav,
all
can you share your
the VMs you have to install Windows Server 2016.
Yes, we are doing clustering, everything, right? So all these we are doing on the server. We are doing nothing on the client OS. So you're gonna select server OS only.
Sir,
Yes.
And sir, in the NLP 01, we have to do the same configuration of the IPs and gateways.
Yes, you have to change the IP address, give it a static IP address. We cannot keep a dynamic IP address on NLP cluster. So you need static IP addresses. You can give anything other than 1.1. Just make sure your DNS is pointing to 1.1, right?
sir, here is the NLB2 and NLB3.
Why do you need NLP3?
Sorry, NLB1 and NLB2.
Are you on your screen? Are you sharing your screen?
Is it visible or not?
No, I'm still seeing Sri Lakshmi's screen, I think.
Okay. Let me see.
Oh yeah, Keshav, I can see your screen. You have not changed your host name, Keshav. I think it's still pointing to some random host name. Can you check your host
Sir,
name?
here it is showing yellow color pop-up. Can I click that one?
Where?
Here, sir. My screen is visible now.
No, I'm seeing Keshav's screen now. So you have to describe what yellow color icon you see.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Sir, where I can see my host name?
Where do you see host name, Keshav? Tell me.
Hmm.
Below the HyperV manager, right corner, left corner.
Here.
Below.
No,
Hmm.
Keshav. Go back to your VM. Show me your NLV01 VM.
Sir, here.
Yeah, open your Windows Explorer here and go to properties. Did you change your host name?
Yeah, sir.
No. Let me see.
After properties,
Right click, properties,
sir, while clicking on properties,
device
this
name.
is
Device name.
okay.
Where did you change the device name? You have to click rename this PC, na?
Sir, how can I do it?
Click on rename this PC. Yes.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, like when we have created DC01, what preferred DNS server I have to give, sir?
You're gonna use its same IP address, or you can use the loopback address. What is the loopback address? 127.0.0.1.
127.0.0.1.
Correct.
And we don't have to give alternate DNS server, right?
No.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Anushka, what problem do you see after installation?
Screen.
Yeah, go ahead and share your screen, Anushka.
Sir, I have to do same thing for the NLB2 also.
Correct.
Yeah.
Anushka? Yeah, I can see your screen now. So you have to unpin that window. Yes. Then you will see the blue window for the VM. You can unmaximize that and send controller delete in action. Can you unmute yourself, Anushka?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Was that the problem that you were facing?
Yes, sir.
All right. So you need to unpin this, let it go away. Yeah. Now unmaximize the. Don't click too far on your screen. Otherwise that pop-up will come up. Na? Yeah. Click on unmaximize. No, you minimized it. On the right hand side, use the window is there. Ah, okay. You had done it before. Unmaximize it. Go to action. Control Alt Delete. You can try to press Control Alt End. If it is not letting you do that, then do this.
Yes, sir.
All right.
So the DNS
Let's
server
go back.
remains same for all the VMs.
The DNS server for all other VMs will be 192.168.1.1. Because once we configured Active Directory, we also configured the DNS.
But sir, in
So only
Sri
on
Lakshmi's
DC01,
screen, you told that the DNS server should be 1270.0.1.
only for DC01, because that server itself is the DNS server, right? For other VMs, NLB1, NLB2, you will put the DNS as IP address of DC1, that is 192.168.1.1. All right, Keshav, can you share your screen? Have you rebooted the machines?
Sir, are you able to hear my voice?
Yes.
Yeah, 1 second, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Go to NLB 1.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Now just pay attention for a few minutes, right? So, Keshav, go back to the properties of NLB 1. So you'll open the Windows Explorer.
Sir, here it is NLB 1.
Yeah. Open Windows Explorer on NLB 1. Go to this PC properties. No, don't click on rename this PC. Okay, click on it. No, here you cannot give it. Hit cancel. Scroll down. Click on rename this PC advanced.
Okay.
Yeah. Go to change. Now everybody is paying attention. Now what we are going to do is we're going to join this server to our domain. So in the same tab where we renamed our PC, now we're going to click on member of. Click on member of. Above work group, do you see option member of domain?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
click on that. Yeah, click on domain and give the domain name as mylab.local. Click OK.
Sir, let me 1 second. Let me.
It says Active Directory domain for mylab.local could not be contacted. Did you change the DNS, Keshav? Show me your IP settings. Click OK here. Get out of this. Cancel. Go back to your
Yes,
network
sir.
property, network and sharing center. Open your adapter properties.
Here.
Where did you change the IP settings? Where did you change the IP settings, Keshav?
Sir, I don't know.
You only did it on DC1, right?
Yeah.
Go to the network properties. Do you see the network card? Bottom right corner.
No, sir, it is not visible to me.
It is there.
Sir, where?
Besides 11:43 a.m. Besides 11:43
Yeah,
a.m.
here. Okay, yeah, sir, I have
Yeah.
changed. I have changed it also. Let me show
Show me
you.
that.
Just this one. Sir,
Yes.
when I change the domain, it is asking for a restart. Should I restart?
Yes. You
Like
need to
I have
restart.
added the domain
Arey,
mylab.local and it is saying you must restart your system.
Correct. Go ahead and restart.
Sir, I
Sachin.
changed my member
Okay.
of from work group to domain. Now it's asking for a
Yes.
username and password.
Correct. So ideally, if you have pointed your DNS correctly, it will ask you for the. Why do you see so many adapters, Keshav?
I don't know, sir.
Hear me,
Yes, Priyanka.
sir. I'm sure I'm getting an error that my laptop is not supporting a remote desktop. What should I
You
do?
should you should not be doing remote
Yeah,
desktop on your laptop. We only did remote desktop.
no, it was not connecting for me.
Okay, Priyanka. Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
were getting an error, right?
Yeah,
Just wait a second. Keshav,
okay,
where are you changing the IP settings? Don't do that here.
Okay, sir.
Go to Ethernet Keshav. That's the last adapter that you see. You need to do that on that. You change something on your VM settings, Keshav. That's why it is happening.
But
Change.
sir, I have not changed anything.
All right. Now change the properties for this VM add network card. Provide the DNS as 192.168.1.1. Click OK. And then now try to join back the domain. Wait a minute. Keshav, which network card did you change? I think you changed the network card on your laptop or the base VM.
No, sir.
Yes, yes. Go back to the network card properties.
Sir, I think I
That's
have
the
changed.
that's the status bar of your base VM, Keshav. Change the
Yeah.
settings back. First of all, change those settings back. You can lose the access to the VM. Minimize NLB1. Guys, make sure you're changing the right adapter settings.
Sir, this is my NLB.
Wait a minute. First, go back to that adapter properties which you changed. Undo your settings, whatever you just did. Undo that. Keep it back to DHCP.
Okay, sir.
Let me know once you're done that. Priyanka, can you share your screen? Show me what's the error message that you see.
Sir, this is coming how I. Okay.
Yeah, go to properties of Ethernet, Keshav, TCP/IP properties, and obtain automatically. Even DNS. Don't be too hasty. Close
Done,
that.
sir.
Go to HyperV1. That's why it was showing you all these adapters there.
Sir, I have a question.
Yes.
Sir, like in DC01, adding roles and feature wizard, what we have to select, role-based or feature-based installation and remote desktop service installation.
Not remote desktop services. We're going to select Active Directory domain services.
You are not getting that option.
Sir, I'm not getting that option. Here are two options: role-based or feature-based installation and remote desktop
Yes, you're
service.
going to select role-based. You're going to select role-based.
Yeah,
Click
sir.
next. Then
Okay.
it will show you the local server name.
server selection here in DC01, IP address 1916. Yeah, sir. I got it.
You're gonna click next, then it will
Yeah.
show you all the roles.
Yeah,
There
sir.
you need to select Active Directory Domain Services.
Yeah, sir. Selected, sir. Add
All right,
features.
Priyanka, I can see your screen now. Let's
ये सब एक साथ ही कर लेना.
don't do desktop hyphen. Whatever IP they gave you with credentials, you need to put that IP here. Four dot 227.16.121. You need to use that IP.
Sir, in DC01, we have to select Active Dictionary Domain Services only, right?
Correct.
Not DNS server.
No, it is automatically gonna get selected once you select that.
Okay, sir.
Priyanka, click OK on that. All right. 427. Okay. Click connect. Click OK here. Click OK here. Expand that show options. Under username, give the username that you have they provided. Yeah, WPR user. Close the remaining RDP windows. Only keep one window open.
Excuse me, sir, I have done.
All right. Once this Priyanka's issue is sorted, we'll go back to your machine. Click on connect, Priyanka. Why is it asking you for the FQD? And I'm not really sure. Which machine is this? Which machine is this, Priyanka? Priyanka, you are not on mute. You can speak. Not working. Which operating system do you have? Is it Windows 10, Windows 11?
Sir, I think it is Windows 11.
But even if it is Windows 11, that should not stop you from RDP.
Windows 10 ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು.
Priyanka, take a screenshot of that error message and log a ticket with the IT team. Let them sort that issue out.
Sir, I have a question, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
sir.
Saksham, you need to join NLB2 as well.
Okay, sir.
Yes, Chirag.
Sir, in root domain name, what we have to give? mylab.local, right?
Correct. You're gonna select add a forest, add a new forest,
Yes,
and
sir.
provide the root domain name as mylab.local.
Sir, I have created both the NLBs and it's asking for a username and password. Should I share my screen?
Did you join that to the domain or did you just created the OS yet?
Sir, it's joined to the domain.
Yeah, then you can log into NLB1, right? Keshav, have you joined the machine to the domain now?
Sir, it was already connected. Let me show you. Wait. I don't know why the error was coming, but let me talk to you. So this is my NLB 01.
Correct.
So in
Yeah, you
network
should
settings,
click one adapter, network settings.
properties.
TCP/IP version 4. Okay. Can you go back to minimize NLB1? Make sure the virtual switch is same for NLB1, 2, and your DC1. Everything should be on your new switch.
Yes, sir. My NLB 1 is on 192.168.1.2 and NLB 2 is 192.168.1.3.
Yes, but what did I ask you right now? You need to check whether they are on the same switch. Go back to your Hyper-V manager and go to the settings of each VM. Make sure all are on the same switch, the new switch that you created. Meanwhile, once you're done that, try to join to the domain again. It should ask you for the user ID password.
Sir, from where we have to check the
Keshav,
switch?
on the virtual manager, I just told you, virtual manager, not server manager, Hyper-V manager on your base VM.
Oh, yes.
So
Sir, here.
check. Yes, click on settings, network adapt. No, in virtual manager. Don't open the network settings of your base VM. Where you see connect, under connect you see settings.
Yes.
Select the network adapter, that is Keshav. Okay. Check all of them are on Keshav or not.
Okay, sir.
All right. So those who have joined both machines, who was that? Manan, you had also joined both machines, right?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
yes, it is on Keshav.
All right. If everything is on the same virtual switch, Keshav, again, try to join the machine to the domain. So Saksham or Manan, one of you share your screens. All right, you're gonna go to server manager and this time you're gonna select Internet Information Services, that is IIS. And also in features, you're gonna select network load balancing. You can install both of them at the same time. Go to add roles and features. Click next.
Sir, my lab dot, what should I have to write?
local. Under features, click next. Under features, also select network load balancing.
I have already installed it.
You already installed network load balancing? Okay, then it is fine. On the other VM2, you have to install IIS.
Sir, do we have to add anything in server roles?
Who was that? Chirag?
No, sir, Manan.
Manan, in server roles, you are gonna select IIS.
What, sir?
IIS, Internet Information Services.
Sir, there no option like that, I think.
It is there. You can see it on Saksham's screen.
Sir,
Web
I
server.
have done. Sir, I have done, but issue has not resolved. It is showing same thing.
Then you need to do network troubleshooting and see why the IP is not reachable. Try on NLB2. Are you getting the same error on NLB2?
Okay.
Sir, there is a IIS hostable web core.
No, not web core. Web server IIS. Share your screen, Manan.
Sir, it is listed as web server IIS under roles, not on feature.
Yeah, it is under roles, not features. Select previous. Here you should see, click next. Click next. Yeah, under here you should see IIS, web server. Under volume
Okay.
activation
Just
services, there it is.
so do we have to add anything here in features?
Make sure feature network load balancing is there.
Sir, anything else?
No, that is all for now. Do this on the other VM2, NLB02 as well.
Sir, it's
Go ahead. Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt. Like in domain controller option, in forest functional level, there is no Windows 2016, sir. It is showing Windows Server 2008, Windows Server 2008R, 12 and 12R.
And below 12R,
Is Windows Server technical preview.
yeah, that is our Windows Server 2016 ISO.
Okay, sir.
What has happened is the ISO that I have downloaded, right? That is,
Yes,
I
sir.
think, a older ISO, which is technical preview. It is not the latest ISO, I think.
Okay, sir.
So that is why it is showing technical preview.
Now, sir, it's showing verify the net BIOS name assigned to the domain change if it is
Yeah, it
necessary.
will automatically populate the domain name there, my lab.
Okay, sir.
Sir, it is this error is coming in NLV2 also.
Then restart all your VMs, Kesham.
Sir, I
Restart
have
everything.
done it. I have restarted everything.
Everything, even your domain controller.
uh to virtual machine which we are working on.
DC01.
Yes, sir.
Even that is rebooted.
Yes, sir.
Okay. No, you don't need to join this again to the domain, right? It is already a domain controller. Why are you changing this on DC1?
Sir, it's showing full computer name as DC01 my.mylab.local.
Yeah, that is the FQDN, full computer name.
So, sir, this is right.
Yeah, that is right. What is fully qualified domain name? Your host name along with your domain name. That is your fully qualified domain name.
Sir, it is installed in both the NLPs.
All right. So once it is installed, let's first go to Tools, IIS.
So where? Here?
In the top right corner where you selected Manage, right? There is also Tools. We'll go to IIS, that is Internet Information Services Manager. It is below Event Viewer only. Just top 5. Priyanka, you can raise that concern with the IT team. You can probably ask them an additional couple of hours for doing previous labs, right? Otherwise, we have no option but to do labs between the session itself. So Manan, let's go back to.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir.
Add the nlb1.mydomain.local.
Sir, caps are small.
It doesn't matter. Just make sure your hostname FQDN is correct. nlb01.mylab.local. Click connect. Is that the correct name that you have given? No, you did not change the host name, Manan.
Where, sir? For
Put in the
this?
IP address there. Yeah, put in the IP address. Instead of host name, now give the IP address. You have not changed the host name.
Sir, IP
And we
address
already
of
got
this machine or the DC?
not DC, NLB1 and NLB2. So 192, 168, 1.2 and 1.3.
Excuse me, sir. My lab.local in that AM should be small or capital.
It does not matter.
Sir, I have again done the restart of everything, but the error is same.
Then some configuration is wrong, I think. If your everything is correct, your IP, your DNS, right, and your switch, it should be able to reach the domain.
Sir,
Yes.
sir, like in path, specify the location of ADDS database log file and SYS wall. In which folder we have to save it, sir? Like here, it's
C: Windows system. We're gonna keep same settings. We are not going to change the path there.
Okay, sir. Thanks.
So, sir, what should I do now?
You need to troubleshoot the issue, Keshav.
And sir, how can I do it?
So make sure you are able to reach the IP address of your domain controller. If the IP is not reaching, you need to do the network troubleshooting. In the Hyper-V settings, we need to make sure all are pointing on the same switch. Maybe check your switch type. Is it internal?
Sir, it's connected. It shows an interface name as Ethernet.
Right. Now click next. Set the priority. Maybe set it to 10. You see the priority? No, don't change that. Yeah. Change the priority to 10. Click next. And add the IP address of the cluster. Now here we will provide a new IP, right? What is the name? What is the IP that we want to provide the cluster? So already we have allocated 1, 2, and 3.
Yes, sir.
Let's call this 4 or 5. Let's give it a new IP address.
Sir, it is internal.
Then it should be working, Keshav. I'm not sure why it is not working in your case.
So then what should
Because
I
you
do, sir?
also change, probably you need to change your base, restart your base machine too. You try to change the IP for the Ethernet adapter on your base machine, right?
Yes, sir.
So probably you need to restart your base VM too.
Sir, do we have to on anything on DC01?
No, we do not have to turn on anything.
Okay.
So did you click OK, Manan?
Yes,
Click
sir.
OK here. Now click next. Now we're gonna set it to multicast. And right now we are not going to give a internet name here, right?
Okay.
Let's keep it blank. I think you need to put something then. Okay, fine. You can remove the existing rule. Whatever rule is there, you should remove that and add port 80 from 80 to 80. Manually select 80 and also select 80. Click OK.
Sir, nothing else to be changed like protocols and midfields and
Nothing.
methods.
Everything will keep as it is. Also add port 443. Click finish. And it should show you the icon as green after some time, right? After a couple of minutes, NLV1 should be appearing as green. And the status, when you click on that, would be converged.
So green would, sir, it's showing green now, the icon.
Right. Is the status showing as converged? Click on the cluster name, cluster IP. Click on the cluster IP 192.168.1.5. Yeah, you can see the status as converged.
Yes, sir.
Now we're gonna apply the same process and add NLB02. Right click on the cluster, add host to cluster, NLB2. Now again, we probably not have changed the domain name there too, right? So IP you need to provide 192.168.1.3. Sri Lakshmi, if you're getting that error on the base VM, you need to log a ticket with the IT.
Okay,
Uh,
sir.
Yeah, Prithvi, you too.
sir, can I share my screen?
Wait a minute, Keshav. Let this cluster configuration finish. Keshav, reboot your base VM.
Sir, I have rebooted it, I think.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I think like I have closed it and I'm starting it again.
No, if you close, that is just closing the remote desktop connection. It is not rebooting the VM. You need to go to start and then perform restart there. Then only it will reboot. If you just close the RDP, it is not going to reboot the VM.
So, sir, from where I have to reboot it?
From the start menu, where do you reboot your laptop from?
Okay, shut down.
No, don't shut down. You have to restart. You want to
Okay,
access
okay.
that VM again, right? How are you going to turn that up if you don't have admin console?
Okay,
Don't
sir.
shut down your base VM. Restart. Yes, assign a different priority, Manan.
So
Now you're going to
10.
give the priority as 11. So now you can see 10 is already gone. You can either give 9 or 11. So we're going to select 11.
Sir, how does this priority affect our clusters, like the one with 10 and 11?
See, the priority, according to that priority, it will try to rebalance the network load, right?
Okay, sir. So the port will
Now
stay the
already
same.
the protocols are added, correct? So you don't need to do that again. Just click finish. And that NLB02 should also turn green and show converged.
But sir, we didn't give any dedicated IP address to an LP02.
We gave now. The cluster itself has that IP. Why are we gonna give again the same IP? It's already taken that IP.
Okay, sir.
So both 2 and 3 are now converged and formed into cluster that is 1.5. Now when both of them show converged, right, you will try to access that website using this IP address. So you're gonna put 192.168.1.5 in your browser and try to browse the website.
Okay, sir.
Give it a few minutes, let it show converged.
So meanwhile, you can look at Keshav's problem if you want to.
Sir, it's
Yes,
done
go
and the
ahead.
website is
Keshav,
working. Yes, sir.
what is working?
The website that hosted is successfully on the cluster.
Who is that? Saksham.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yeah. So if you're able to browse the website on your cluster IP, that means it is successfully working, right? You can also go to the network properties where you change the IP settings, right? You can go to the properties and select advanced there. It will show the two IPs. One it's its own IP and as well as the cluster's IP. So Manan, try to browse 192.168.1.5 and we are getting the web page, right? Now, even if you shut down one of the systems, right,
Yes,
still
sir.
from the other system, you can browse 1.5. Now, let's verify the network properties. Go to the network properties of your card.
So TCP IP.
TCP IP version. Yes, properties and click on advanced. Here we can see both the IPs 1.2 and 1.5.
Yes, sir.
Similarly, on NLB2, you will see 1.3 and 1.5. That means both the VMs are listening on 1.5 now.
Okay, sir.
For port 80, that means our cluster is working.
Okay, sir.
That finishes our NLB cluster lab. Now undo whatever we done, right? Delete the host from that cluster, right? Once you have verified all this, we're gonna destroy that cluster, and you can use these VMs for the failover cluster as well, right?
Should I delete the host, sir?
Yeah, delete host, delete both of the hosts from that. So that means the cluster is then destroyed.
Sir, it's deleted.
All right, so you can close this. If you want, you can go back to manage roles and services, and you can remove the network load balancing. Remove roles and features. You can remove network load balancing once you have verified that everything is working fine. Under features, you need to remove that. If you want, you can also remove IIS, right?
So IS is in the, I guess, server selection or server roles.
Roles. IIS will be in the roles.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, Keshav?
Sir, it's very funny error I was getting. I rectified it and something has come up.
What was that funny error, and what is now coming up?
It's working. And funny
Okay,
error is we are working in 4 virtual machines right now. In DC01, NLB1, NLB2, and the actual machine which was provided. So
right.
in one of, I was not doing in NLB1, I was either doing in DC1 or I was trying in my original virtual machine. So that's why it is not working.
Correct.
So
Good. You were able to troubleshoot whatever problem you had, right? Now join those machines to the domain and just do the NLB clustering steps that we did right now.
Sir,
Right?
I didn't saw them.
Keshav, you should have paid attention to this first, right?
Yeah.
It's already mostly close to 6 o'clock. By this rate, we'll never be able to finish our old demonstrations and start with the fresh topic, right? So I think it's already past 5:45. Are you still having access to this VM?
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
right now.
Yeah, so it's working, right? So probably you can try that again later, probably. So Keshav, how do we create NLB cluster? Did you install IIS NLB clustering feature?
Sir, I have not installed IIS right now.
So first of all, before doing anything, let me know what are the steps you're gonna follow. You observed the demonstration when I did this in the morning, right? So what are the
Yes.
steps that we need to do?
Sir, I have to check out the notes.
You have to install IIS on both nodes. You have to install network load balancing in features on both nodes. Once you have installed IIS, you can try to browse the default website. Make sure you are able to browse it. How are you going to do that? You're going to go to Tools, IIS, default website, and then browse. Once you're able to browse both websites, you're going to go to Network Load Balancing Manager in Tools. You're going to create a cluster, add the first host, right? Provide the cluster a new IP 1.5, remove the existing rules and add the port 80 and 443. Then
Okay, sir.
you're going to finish the wizard and let the wizard complete. And then you will add the second host, that is NLB2. And again, do the same thing. This time you don't have to provide the cluster IP because already we have given that. We don't need to change the rules this time because it will already fetch the port 80 and port 443. So you just add the another host, and once both the hosts are added and the status is showing converged, that means your cluster is working. Then you can try to browse the website using cluster IP, that is 1.5, and you should be able to browse. You can also verify the settings in network adapter. In the advanced tab, it should show you both the IPs, the cluster IP as well as the host IP,
Network. Yeah.
where you change the network settings, right? TCP IP version 4 properties. So other than Manan and Saksham, who else successfully completed the NLV cluster? Put your names in chat.
So should I stop sharing?
Yes, you can.